Hi guys, in this video I will guide you on how to set a song as ringtone on an Android phone, and if you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now first things first, you want to open up the settings of your Android phone. Now from the settings, you just want to scroll all the way down until you find the sounds and vibration settings. Go ahead and select that. And from the sounds and vibration settings, you should find the ringtone option over here. Just go ahead and tap on ringtones over here. Now by default, you're going to see some ringtones available on your Android phone, which you can actually use as ringtone by default. However, if you want to be able to set a song on your phone as ringtone, what you would have to do is to scroll over to the top. You're going to see this plus icon over here on your Android phone. If you do not see the plus icon in some Android phones, at the top of the phone, you're going to see an option like the choose from local library or choose from local ringtone option. It is actually the same. Just tap on that. And at this point, you should already make sure you have the song which you want to set as ringtone downloaded into your Android phone. If you do not have the song you want to set as ringtone on your Android phone already downloaded and installed, there are actually a couple of websites you can download royalty-free music into your Android phone. One of the most popular, which is actually the one I use, is the Pixabay website. So on their music section over here, you should be able to find lots of music you can actually download because they are actually royalty-free. And you can actually just play them from over here. If you like the song, you can click on the download button and that particular song will be downloaded into your Android phone. Now once you have the song you want to set as ringtone on your Android phone downloaded, whether it's from the Pixabay website or any other website, over here on your Android phone, you should be able to find the song you have downloaded from the Pixabay website. If you do not find it from over here, you can as well just click on the folder option at the bottom right over here. Obviously your song should actually be under the downloads folder. Just go over to downloads and you should be able to find the song you have downloaded into your Android phone, and I can just go ahead and select it directly from here. Just click on the done button at the top over here, and that particular song will now be set as ringtone for my Android phone. And at this point, if I get any call on my Android phone, that should actually be the ringtone on the phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.